Let's talk about some words we can use with conditional structures. What are these words or phrases? If, providing, unless, even if, and as long as. So, if you want to learn English grammar, stay tuned. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, thanks so much. Back to the video. Okay, everyone. Conditional structures using if, providing, unless, even if, and as long as. Let's get started. First, keep watching until the end of this video. There is a quiz you might want to try, okay? And also, if you don't know conditional sentences, check out my playlists about conditionals. The links are in the description. Thank you. Okay, we can use the words if, providing, unless, even if, and as long as to introduce conditional grammar structures. Providing and as long as mean the same as if. And this means only if a particular thing is done. Only if a particular thing is done. A condition, right? For example, if you practice, you will improve your English. Providing you practice, you will improve your English. As long as you practice, you will improve your English. Same meaning. Example 2. We will arrive at the airport on time if we leave right now. We will arrive at the airport on time providing we leave right now. We will arrive at the airport on time as long as we leave right now. Okay, let's talk about even if. Even if means whether or not. Whether or not. And is used to say if something is the case or not the case, the result is the same. So let's look at this example. In life, it is important to try new things, even if you are not always successful. What does this mean? Well, it means if you are successful or if you are not successful, it doesn't matter. It is still important to try new things. And it also means either way, it's important to try new things. Video games are fun, even if you're bad at them. This means whether you're good at them or whether you're bad at them, video games are fun, no matter what. Either way, video games are fun. Do you agree? I think so. Even if is an emphatic way to use if. Emphatic means using emphasis. Emphasis means expressing something forcibly and clearly. Even if you work hard, you might not get rich. This means if you work hard, you still might not get rich. Even if I had the night off, I still wouldn't come to the party. This means if I had the night off, free time, I still wouldn't attend the party. Probably because I really don't want to go. Unless means the same as if not, or except if. Unless you have experience, you cannot get the job. This means you cannot get the job if you don't have experience. If not, if negative, if you don't. You can get the job if you do have experience. Make sense? The doctor cannot help you unless you tell her what's wrong. This means if you don't tell the doctor what's wrong, she can't help you. Obviously, right? And if you do tell the doctor what's wrong, she can help you. Easy, right? Okay, now it's your turn. I will show you 3 different groups of sentences. Choose the 2 sentences in each group that have the same meaning. Okay, I will show the answers after each question, after each group, so pause the video if you need more time. Ready? Number 1, I can't help you unless you talk to me. I can't help you if you don't talk to me. I can't help you providing you talk to me. Which 2 sentences have the same meaning? Pause the video if you need more time. Ready for the answer? The 2 sentences that have the same meaning are A and B. And the problem word in sentence C is can't. Can't is the problem word. Let's make it better. Can. I can help you, providing you talk to me. Now all 3 sentences have the same meaning. Number 2, you can have a dog providing you take care of it. You can have a dog unless you take care of it. You can have a dog as long as you take care of it. Which 2 sentences have the same meaning? Ready? Sentences A and C have the same meaning. What's wrong with sentence 2? Can. If we change can to can't, now all 3 sentences have the same meaning. You can't have a dog unless you take care of it. Okay, number 3. Unless you pass the exam, you won't pass the course. Even if you pass the exam, you won't pass the course. If you pass the exam, you still won't pass the course. Which two sentences have the same meaning? Ready? Well, it is B and C. They have the same meaning. And unless is the problem word in sentence A. We can't change the sentence to make it correct using the word unless. So we can use a different expression to make this correct. We can say, whether you pass the exam or not, you won't pass the course. Understand? Okay. Well, let me know your questions down in the comments section and your ideas for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something today, and subscribe to the channel for more free English content in the future. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.